Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use live transcribe on Samsung phone. So first thing you have to do is open up your settings and sorry. So once you open up your settings, you see the menu. All you need to do is scroll down to where you see accessibility, right? And you click on that. So once you click on that, you see where it says hearing enhancement. You click on that as well. Once you click on that, you can see the first option is the live transcribe. So you need to actually click on this live transcribe shortcut right here. Open that up so that you can see it when you drop down. You can see right here below, this one right here, live transcribe, or you can either choose to make it be a part of your accessibility button. This one right here, it can be here. That's the quick panel. And or you can decide to turn it to press side and volume up button, or press and hold volume up and down button for 3 seconds. So you can decide the shortcuts for that. So after doing all that, all you need to do is open up